When certain companies experiences above average profit, what is levied by the government is known as windfall tax. The main idea is to make sure there is equitable distribution in the society. That means there is not an extra profit which is generated by one segment. Rather, the profit which is generated by one segment should be percolated to another sections of the society. So, when government levies windfall tax, there are both. Anytime a tax comes into market, you would have people who would speak for it and people who would speak against it. So if I say those who speak for the tax, which is the windfall tax, they would say yes, this tax is good because the money which is generated from the companies which have above average profit, that money would go for the social benefit or the social cause. However, people who speak against this would say that the profit margins of those companies would reduce. As a result, the innovation, the R&D activities which can be brought by those institutions or those organizations would substantially reduce. So this is a very important concept which has been used recently. In the recent context, government has said that the windfall tax on oil would be removed if the world prices for the oil fall below $40 a barrel. That means that we are saying if the prices remain above $40 a barrel, that would imply that these companies have an above average profit and therefore they would have to pay an extra amount for this. Now this windfall tax is not just a term which is used in this reference, it is also used in case of individual taxation. When it is used in the case of individual taxation, in the case of individual taxation, it is primarily used when I say a person earns a money from gift, inheritance or a game lottery. So those are some of the case where there is the case of windfall, where all of a sudden a person gets rich either because of inheritance or because of gift or because of lottery or winning into certain cases, and therefore this is levied. If we go back in 2005, it was the case with ExxonMobil, again an oil company. So ExxonMobil actually when during 2005 ExxonMobil had a profit of nearly $36 billion in a year, and that was an unusually high profit. So in order to make sure that there are no unusually high profits, this term was brought into existence, and this is what is called as the windfall tax. If you have any questions or any queries, feel free to post those in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to take your queries and address those in the upcoming sessions. Useful links are provided in the description below. Have a wonderful day.